Hey everybody, Rebecca here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I want to talk to you about 3D printing. I found an Etsy store that sells the greatest 3D printed nail art storage devices. Things that I just absolutely love. The color I picked is their pink ombre. You can have it personalized. I chose to do Hearts and Nails by Rebecca. This one holds nails bits, your implements, your liquids, and your drill bits. I ended up ordering more pieces to it this week and it just all came in. Let me get other additional pieces that I already have and I'll show you what I have. Hang on. For those of you that have been here, you know this has been in most of my videos. This is their dip tray. It has open corners, so if you spill powder, you can just pour it back in. Well, I had an accident in one of my films, and I accidentally spilled acetone. Well, these are not acetone friendly, just so you know. No fault in the company, just my own. You know, I like to spill things. Well, it just made a little small mark, and I tried everything to get it out. Well, to make it look better, I just dipped the whole thing into acetone, and it came out with this really cool marble effect. So, this is the one I use every day now, just so I don't ruin my replacement tray. I ordered another one. So this is what it originally looked like. So this is my backup when I eventually melt this one. Because you know, I'm accident prone and I'm going to mess it up. Let me get my additional new pieces. I'm so excited to show you these. This is their stamping setup. I guess you could fit stamping polishes in here as well. I'm still working on that. The ones I have are from Sally, so they don't fit into the bins or little hole cubbies. But I think Maniology makes some that fit in there. Let me show you the rest. Another drill holder that's portable, a little smaller, so you can take it with you. I really like this idea. Powder trays to collect your powder that overpours, and they're angled with corners so you can pour it back in. The right one holds a 2-ounce. They're both the same size, but the right side is a 2-ounce jar and the left side is a regular 1/2-ounce jar. Finger, I guess you want to call them resters? I don't know. That we can paint your own nails or have your client put their hand on them when you're taking pictures. You prefer to do one at a time when you're doing your own nails. I think their name's on the bottom of it too. Hang on. If my camera can pick that up. Yeah, that's their name for their company on Etsy. I'll put their link in the description for you. And I have a couple more items. Hang on. Brush rester and a swatch stick dryer. They have two different versions of this one. This is a low one. The other one is high, so they rest up higher. But I think the low works best for me. And they were so sweet to send me a freebie. Let me grab that. So it puts your dip powder at an angle. I have the 1/2 ounce in it. Let me grab a 2-ounce jar, see if it fits. Two ounce does not fit in the one that they sent me, but they do have different sizes. So it puts your jar at an angle to put your finger in. I would assume that this works good for bottles as well. Not too bad. But they have several different colors to choose from. And I think it took about a week for this all to come from when I ordered it. So they're really fast. Again, I'll put their Etsy shop in the description. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.